Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the numerical examples on Newton's second law of motion. Now see this example statement. An 80 kg block rests on a rough horizontal plane as shown in figure. Find the magnitude of force P required to produce an acceleration of 2.5 meters per second square to the right. Take coefficient of kinetic friction as 0.25. So that force P is acting at an angle 30 degrees with horizontal on the block. So you have to find out the magnitude of that force so that the block will have an acceleration of 2.5 meter per second square. Right? So the first step is to draw free body diagram showing all the forces acting on it. So let us draw FBD of the block. So what are the forces acting on the block? Applied force P, which is acting at an angle 30 degrees with respect to horizontal. Weight of the block, mass is given 80 kg. So weight of the block is 80 into 9.81 Newton, right? mg. And it is on a rough horizontal plane. So the horizontal plane will offer a reaction, normal reaction, say NR. And the block is moving towards right, being the plane is rough. There is a frictional force which is acting in the opposite direction of motion, that is towards left, whose magnitude is coefficient of kinetic friction into normal reaction. That is the magnitude of friction force. Right. Now this block is moving towards right with an acceleration 2.5 meters per second square. Right? But see, the block is not moving in vertical direction. So the unbalanced force or the resultant force in a vertical direction is 0. The block is in equilibrium in a vertical direction, right? So we can write summation Fy is equal to 0. So by resolving this force P into the horizontal and the vertical components, you have P cos 30 horizontal component, vertical component is P sin 30. So taking algebraic sum of all the forces acting in y direction, P sin 30 acting downwards minus P sin 30, this weight of the block acting downwards minus 80 into 9.81, normal reaction acting upwards plus NR is equal to 0. Therefore, the normal reaction is 0.5 P plus 784.8. See, Newton. So, equation 1. Now, let us write summation Fx. That is the resultant force in x direction. It is not 0. Block is moving with an acceleration a. So, as per Newton's second law of motion, the resultant force, unbalanced force in x direction is equal to mass into acceleration. So what are the forces acting in x direction? P cos 30 towards right. So it is plus P cos 30. Friction force is acting towards left. So it is minus coefficient of kinetic friction is given 0.25. 0.25 into the normal reaction from equation 1. The normal reaction is 0.5 P plus 784.8. This is equal to M is 80 kg into acceleration is 2.5. So this gives you force P as 534.68 Newton. So this is the magnitude of force P required to produce an acceleration of 2.5 meters per second square in horizontal direction. Understood? So we will solve one more example. Read the statement of the problem. The 10 kg block is subjected to the force shown in figure. Determine its velocity when t is equal to 2 seconds. If v is equal to 0, when t is equal to 0. See here, this force is not constant force. It is variable force. So it is a function of time t. F is equal to 20t. So you have to find out the velocity of the block after 2 seconds. Right? Given that force is equal to 20 into t. As per Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to m into a, which is equal to 20t. M is 10 kg. So 10a is equal to 20t. So a is equal to 2 into t. So the acceleration of this block is 2 into t. Now a is equal to, yes, dv by dt is equal to 2t. So dv is equal to 2t into dt. Integrating on both sides. It is given that when t is equal to 0, v is equal to 0. When t is equal to 0, v is equal to 0. When t is equal to 2 seconds, you have to find out the velocity. So you can do definite integration. There is no constants. So we are having limits. So integrating and putting the limits. So here you have v, 0 to v is equal to 2 into t square by 2, 0 to 2. So v minus 0 is equal to 2 into 2 square by 2 minus 0. So this gives you v is equal to 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4 meters per second. So after 2 seconds, the velocity of the block is 4 meters per second. So simple. Understood? Thank you.